Hey YouTube, how's it going? I got a quick one for the Nikon D850 today. Basically, my first thing that I always want to know with cameras is how do you change the different shutter release modes? Whether you want to shoot, a bunch of frames at once when you're holding the button down or something like that. So I'm going to just go through them all. On the D850, they're up here on this wheel. You have to press this button down right here and then turn the wheel, and that's how you can actually switch through them. The different ones are single, continuous low, which is low speed, and you can change the frame rate in the menu. I was just doing that earlier, so I'll show you real quick. When you go under custom settings, shooting display, and then CL mode shooting speed, you can choose between 1 and 6 FPS. I have mine at 4, and that's just, depending on how fast you want it. And then the next mode is continuous high, which is a lot faster. Q stands for quiet. QC is quiet continuous. The clock is self-timer if you ever need that. And then M up is mirror up, and this is best for astrophotography and other long exposures. So I'm just gonna go through them all so you can kind of see what it's like when you're shooting. So for single, if you hold it down, it doesn't do anything. You just can click for each photo. When you're under continuous low, it sounds like this. When you're on continuous high, it's going to be a lot faster. And sometimes it'll stop if your SD card can't read and write as fast. So you have to keep that in mind when you're using continuous high speed, especially for events. For quiet, you'll hear the difference. It's a lot quieter. Personally, I don't like the sound, but it is quieter if you're at a wedding or something. Quiet continuous. And then the timer doesn't really have any special sounds. I'm not going to show that. Same for mirror up. If you're doing astrophotography, keep that in mind. Most people are probably looking for continuous, so either continuous low or continuous high, and then change the FPS based on what you want. I hope this was a helpful quick tutorial. Leave a comment below and a like if you need any more help.